Tim, as I sit here and reflect on our journey to marriage, I can't help but rightfully acknowledge God's faithfulness, grace, and unmerited favor in His promise to me. I had no idea praying the prayer I did would result in you.
I still remember the first moment that I truly looked at you and thought, wow. I remember feeling all of the nerves when I wanted to ask you out. I remember buying the new outfit, getting my hair cut like I was going to prom, all because I wanted to make sure that I made that moment count. I remember telling you after dinner that you are the most beautiful woman that I'd ever seen. And I remember your face scrunch up in surprise.
I couldn't believe I was watching the plan of God for my life begin to unfold before my very eyes. I constantly prayed for you, our marriage, our children, and our home. July 7th, 2016, sitting on my couch, you asked me to be your girlfriend. I knew then God was continuing to show His faithfulness. I have never had my faith stretch or experience growth in this way until God gave me you.
I remember looking at you and my heart started racing because I couldn't believe how much that I liked you. It's amazing because I still feel the same way about you now, but it's a deeper feeling.
All right, I'm coming. Yes! Look at you!
It is because of God's faithfulness I can say, not hell nor high water will ever draw me away from you. Through good times and bad, highs and lows, disagreements, unity, laughter and tears, there is nothing that will ever separate me from what God has willingly given me.
I remember June 18th, 2018. I remember seeing your face when I showed up on that Family Feud stage. I remember all of my fears going away because the only thing that mattered in that moment was you. I remember saying to you, "Hey love, I've always told you that you have superpowers because you can brighten up any room that you walk into, and you've brightened up my life since the day that I met you." So I'm here today on national television, watched by millions of people, asking if you can do me the honor of lighting up my life for the rest of my life. Will you marry me?
When I see you, I see grace, love, and mercy that will follow me all the days of my life. You are the man God handcrafted, saved, and willingly is giving to me to share life with on this earth until He sees fit to call us home. I will spend every last breath I have in my body, loving, caring, becoming a better woman, lover, and friend to you, for you, my forever love.
What I know without a shadow of a doubt is that I will always remember to honor you, protect you, cherish you, pray for you, and love you for the rest of my life. I love you, Alicia Gilliam Olatunde.
Bye.